Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in this video, we are going to be going over Aperture Finance. We're going to be covering Aperture again. We're going to have a dedicated video to Aperture, as well as I'm just going to give you an update on my positions. I know it hasn't been too long. You probably saw a video earlier today, or it'll be later today, on how much I've made this week in yield farming. But I wanted to do a dedicated video here on Aperture because they have some pretty cool new features that they have launched that I want to cover. Now they've completely redesigned the website, which is pretty cool, and they have also introduced an airdrop. So if you guys have been around in DeFi over the past sort of 6 months, 6, 12, 18 months, I suppose, there's been a massive push on airdrops and farming points for specific protocols to earn, to do actions on specific protocols to earn points, which will then give you an airdrop of that token. So Aperture Finance, if you are involved in yield farming, which I assume quite a few of you are, considering my, videos as of recent have been all surrounding yield farming and generating passive income from yield farming, well, you'll know that Aperture is one of the tools to utilize to go ahead and manage your positions and do everything yield farming related. Well, they are now doing an airdrop as well. They have created their own token, an Aperture token, which they are going to be releasing soon, and you can get an airdrop of that token by farming points through doing specific activities. The more points you have will, equal a airdrop of the Aperture token. So we're going to cover all of that in this video. But I am not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and be very careful about where you're investing in crypto and DeFi, because it is the riskiest stuff in the world. Check out the links in the description to all of the communities, my email newsletters down there, Twitter, Discord servers, the premium Discord server, all that good stuff. So let's jump into it. So Aperture, you can see this is their new homepage. Not too much on this page in terms of information. They just got advanced liquidity management with intent-driven V3 tools and Aperture's intent API on the homepage there, and you can enter and manage your positions and all that good stuff. So this is the main thing that we want to take a look at, is the participate now in the campaign. Now you do have to have a referral link to start earning, to start farming points, which I will leave a link down below in the description if you're interested in taking a look at the airdrop. Now, if you're in yield farming anyway and you use Aperture, you may as well click the referral link and start earning some points to get some free tokens, right? So let's take a look at what they have. So first of all, they've added this intent GPT. So you can ask me information about Uniswap VLP positions, intents with Aperture Finance, and anything about DeFi you want to know about. So they've added this chat GPT for yield farming, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, that's pretty cool, right? So let's ask chat GPT or intent GPT a question. So what is yield farming, right? Simple. And it will just give me an answer based on what I've asked it. It's just like chat GPT, but for all things DeFi, which is, pretty cool. So this is what yield farming is, right? So they do have a swap. Now you can swap tokens through Uniswap. They have their sort of in-house swap, which is nice. So let's say you want to swap ETH to USDC on Uniswap, then you can do so on the ARB network, which is pretty cool. Now again, this does use the Uniswap API, so it just saves you having to go to Uniswap to transfer. Let's say you claim fees and you want to swap that for USDC to cash out or whatever it is. You can do that direct within Aperture now versus having to go to Uniswap and come out of, go onto another website and do it and then come back or whatever, which is awesome. And the new revamp also includes revamping the whole page, so you can see how many feet, you can see your positions. This has changed as well. If you click into rebalance, or if you click in, I think I'm on ARB, aren't I? Yeah. So if we click into our ARB pool, I can rebalance from here. And yeah, it's all pretty nice and pretty aesthetic. I do like the new theme. It is pretty cool. But the main thing that we want to talk about, and by the way, this isn't a sponsored video. Aperture haven't paid me or anything. But I use their tool daily anyway, so I thought I'd give you the update on what they've done. So this is how much we have in fees to claim after 24 hours, like what, $40 or something, since I claimed yesterday on here. And then if we take a look at turbos, actually, because I will update you on turbos. Let's disconnect this and connect our Sui wallet. On turbos, we have just over $30 to claim in fees as well. But anyway, I'll just thought I'd update you on fees that I have to collect. But again, that's not the topic of this video. All right, so if we go to the campaign, which is what you want to be looking at, okay, this is where you're going to earn points. So the Aperture Intentional Campaign, take part in the force shaping the first DeFi native solver network and earn APTR, which is their points. Okay, so there's a few things how you can earn points. First of all, you can join and follow. So you can join Discord and verify that for 30 points. You can follow on X and retweet the pinned tweet for 30 points. Pretty easy, low hanging fruits. Okay, and you can earn points through intents and more. So all actions on Aperture's DApp will generate points, including LP rebalancing, vanilla swapping, and more. Now, they're not going to give too many details, right? You kind of have to figure this out for yourself. Otherwise, they're just going to give you the roadmap to where you can earn essentially free money. But pretty much doing everything that you would do within Aperture anyway will probably generate you points. So rebalancing, claiming fees. If you go to swap and swapping tokens, that will generate you points. Yeah, pretty much everything, right? Limit orders, creating new positions and zapping in, like everything that you would do on Aperture anyway, doing that now will generate you points. If you use the link in the description, because again, you do need a referral code. So I will leave that to join. So I will leave that in the description. But you can earn points with Aperture now, which will airdrop you APTR tokens. So you're basically earning free money, right? There is a leaderboard. Somehow someone's already got 30,000 points, and this has been around for less than 24 hours, which is pretty interesting. That is pretty cool. Let's see where I am on the seed boy. I only have 150 points so far. I think I'm like, I'm nothing too crazy, right? Let's see. Yeah, I'm like, is it just over like 700 or something? So yeah, anyway, that is pretty much the video. Aperture are doing a airdrop. They have got a token coming out, so you can earn boosts. Okay, so get 20% from the people you refer and 10% from people they refer to layers. So yeah, you can get more points by referring people. So if you do have people that you know that use Aperture, or even in like Discord servers, yield farming Discord servers, even in the Aperture Discord server, there is a place where you can drop your referral link to potentially earn some more points that way. But yeah, literally just doing things on this network will earn you points. I have 150 right now. If we go and swap a token, so if we go on base, I do have this wrapped ETH to swap $36 worth. So if I go and approve this and make this swap, and let's go and approve that. So if we go and make this swap here, then again, it should earn us some points, right? It's literally just doing swaps and stuff like that. So even if you're not yield farming, right? Even if you're not yield farming, you can still earn money by swap. So now we have $71, which I need to bridge over and claim that because that was from yesterday. So yeah, if you do swaps, you'll earn points as well, right? If we go back to the campaign, it hasn't updated just yet. But again, I don't know how often these points do update, to be honest. I'm not 100% sure. But you can go ahead, just doing swaps, interacting, claiming fees, rebalancing, pretty much everything. Like it even says here, all actions on Aperture's DApp will generate points, including LP rebalancing, vanilla swapping, and more. So just doing everything you would do in yield farming anyway. Doing this will essentially earn you points for the airdrop, which is what you want. But anyway, guys, that's going to be it for the video. If you have enjoyed, make sure you smash a like, subscribe down below if you want to, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss a future video. Make sure to go follow me over on Twitter. I will leave a link down below to the Aperture airdrop if you're interested in farming it. Again, it's pretty much free money, so why wouldn't you, right? Anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're new. I'm excited for this airdrop. I think it's pretty cool, and yeah, could potentially be a good little farm. Could be a good earner for when they do launch this token. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.